Director Lokesh Kangaraj's much anticipated Tamil film Leo, starring the iconic Thalapathy Vijay, is gearing up to set remarkable records in the film industry. The excitement surrounding Leo is palpable with the remarkable Rs 34 crore collected in advance booking revenue on the very first day. Notably, the lion's share of this buzz and anticipation is coming from Vijay's home state of Tamil Nadu, where his fan following is nothing short of fervent. Bollywood star Sanjay Dutt is playing an antagonist in the film, whereas Trisha Krishnan is playing the female lead. In a revealing comparison, it has been reported that Rajnikant's Jailer collected approximately Rs 18 crore, which is less than Vijay Thalapathy's Leo, which has collected Rs 34 crore in advance bookings. This stark difference in advance bookings indicates Vijay's star power in the Tamil film industry. The stage is set for a groundbreaking opening at the box office, and fans and industry experts are eagerly waiting to witness this cinematic milestone. Leo achieves impressive pre-release sales with Rs 29 crore from standard Tamil screenings, approximately Rs 7 crore from premium IMAX showings, and the potential for further growth with 1 day remaining. According to reports, around Rs 4 crore worth of tickets have been sold for the dubbed Telugu version of the film, which is going up against local titles Tiger Nageshwara Rao and Bhagwant Kesari. Leo anticipated to make a strong start in Malayalam, whereas limited release in Hindi market, with modest advance sales of approximately Rs 32 lakh. Delhi NCR and Mumbai region see Rs 24 lakh in advance Tamil ticket sales, while the Hindi version lags behind with only 3 lakh. According to our calculations, considering Vijay's recent film Varisu, which struggled in the northern Indian market, it appears unlikely that he can replicate its strong regional success on a pan-India scale. While he retains a robust influence in his home territory, it would be interesting to see what will Leo bring for him nationwide. In contrast, Shah Rukh Khan's Jawan managed to generate a substantial revenue of Rs 60 crore through its Tamil and Telugu dubbed versions, and the previous year saw Telugu and Kannada blockbusters such as RRR, KGF Chapter 2 and Kantara amass significant sums of money even in northern India. However, a controversy had surrounded the movie Leo. On October 17, the City Civil Court in Hyderabad heard a petition filed by South film producer Naga Vamsi of Sitara Entertainments, who claimed that he had the rights to the title Leo. As per recent reports, a producer has moved court claiming his rights, and thus a local court had stalled the film's release until October 20. But as per the official announcement, Leo has been scheduled to release in theatres on October 19 in Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada and Hindi.